What to do when you get rejected by a man or woman. Accept it, don't fight it. Rejection sucks, we've all been there, right? You shoot your shot, maybe you confess your feelings or ask someone out, and boom, they say no. But here's the thing, rejection is not the end of the world. In fact, if you handle it right, rejection can actually be the best thing that ever happened to you. So in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly what you should do when you get rejected. By a man, by a woman, doesn't matter. Let's go. The first thing to do when you get rejected, and accept it. Don't overthink it. Don't try to argue or convince them. You can't force attraction, feelings, or chemistry. Respect their decision. That's what mature, confident people do. And here's the mindset shift. Their rejection says nothing about your worth. It only means you weren't right for them, and that's okay. Feel it, but don't stay there. Look, it's okay to feel sad, disappointed, or even embarrassed. You're human, but give yourself a deadline, maybe a day or two, to feel it fully. Cry if you need to. Vent to a friend. Write it down. But after that, it's time to get back up. Staying in that low energy for too long only hurts you, not them. Reflect, but don't overanalyze. Ask yourself, was there something I can learn from this? Did I come off too needy, too aggressive? Or maybe we just weren't compatible. Learn what you can, but don't sit there for weeks trying to figure out every little detail of why they said no. Sometimes the reason is simple. They just didn't feel it, and that's not in your control. Level up yourself. This is the most powerful thing you can do after rejection. Level up. Hit the gym. Focus on your hobbies. Learn new skills. Improve your communication and confidence. Work on becoming the best version of you. Because guess what? When you're busy building your life, you naturally become more attractive, not just to that person, but to everyone. Move on with dignity. Don't chase. Don't beg. Don't spam their phone. Instead, leave them with this energy. Hey, I respect your decision. No hard feelings, wishing you the best. That's rare. That's mature. And sometimes, ironically, that kind of response makes them respect you way more. Outro. So next time you get rejected from Muscom, remember this. It's not a failure. It's feedback. It's redirection. Rejection is not about losing them. It's about finding yourself. If this video helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more real talk like this. See you in the next one.